Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video we want to show you how to switch out the battery in your Galaxy SmartTag. So as you can see here, we have a Galaxy SmartTag here, and we have our Galaxy Flip 4. And so first of all, we want to check to see if the SmartTag is running low. And so the way you would check the percentage of your the battery percentage of your SmartTag, you would need to go to Smart Things. So locate your Smart Things app, tap on it to open it. Once it's open, you can see the items that you have in your SmartTag, which I have my keys and I have my backpack. And so this is the SmartTag for my backpack. As you can see here, it says on the go, and it's not near me. So if you were to tap on that to look at it a little closer, you can scroll down to the bottom where it says battery. It says waiting to update. It's not showing any battery percentage. And so the battery is evidently dead. And so what we want to do is go ahead and switch out that battery. We're going to come back out of that real quick. And we're going to grab our SmartTag. And so the way you would open up the SmartTag, at the very bottom here, you will see this little cutout here. And I would recommend using like a penny or some kind of thin metal to stick in there and pry it open. So what I'm going to use this piece of thin metal here, and you stick it in at the bottom, and you twist it a bit, as you can hear it popping, to open up. And once you got it open, it would look like this inside. So as you can see, there is no battery in there, so that's one reason why you weren't able to get a reading on it. And so what you would do is you would get your battery, and you would put the plus side up, and make a quick notation the size of the battery. The size of the battery here says 2032. So once you get your battery back in there, go ahead and get the top, squeeze it back on you here, click into place. As you can see, it's closed, and check it to make sure it's closed all the way around. And so after doing that, we're going to set that back down for a moment. And so now we're going to go back to our device. We're going to pick that up here, and we're going to go to our SmartThings app. We're going to tap on the app, open it up, and we're back inside. And now, as you can see, both of the items that I have SmartTags on are lit up. Backpack, as you can see, it says connected. And so if we were to tap on that to open it up, and you can see that it does say connected here at the top. And if we were to scroll down to where it says battery, it says waiting to update. It just updated, and it says sufficient. If we were to look a little closer into it and open it up, you'll see how they rate the battery percentage. So if it's at least 16% to 100%, it's okay. If it's lower than 16%, if it's 6% to 15%, it's considered low. And then, of course, 0% to 5% is considered very low. And so that's how you replace the battery in your Galaxy SmartTag. Hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the like button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.